Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and I want to help you greenify your life and your home. And in today's video, I'm talking about making your bathroom plastic free. As you may know, I've been on this adventure of trying that for a little while. And since I love to research, I researched which options there were for shampoo without any plastic. The best one out of all my tests is Werfzeep. It is a Dutch brand. They are sustainable, organic, completely plastic free. As you can see, the packaging is all paper. They are also vegan and cruelty free, except the honey bar, which has honey in it from a locally sourced imker or beekeeper. It is important to know that there's a difference between vegan and cruelty free. Vegan means that in the product itself, there are no animal products. Cruelty free means that the process of creating that product also didn't involve any animal cruelty. So if you're looking for a product that doesn't harm any animals, definitely make sure it says cruelty free on there as well as vegan. Werfzeep doesn't use any palm oil and it is also sulfate free, which according to my friend Lenka is very important. Sulfates are something that companies use to help clean your hair, but it can be a little bit too aggressive, which creates a vicious circle, like not a mean one, but a never-ending one. Because the sulfates sometimes dries it out a little bit. You'll need something silicone-based, like a conditioner, to then smooth your hair out again. But that also makes your hair greasy very quickly. Which is why I started with this brand, because they were the only one I could find that doesn't include any sulfates. So first of all, how do you wash your hair? Not with your regular shampoo, but with a block of soap. Let me show you. Welcome to my bathroom. I am wearing a bikini, don't worry, we're not getting naked together. First of all, before you wash your hair, it's important to really brush it out very carefully, and then you're ready to head in the shower. Get your hair wet first, and then we'll continue on. Let's go. Mine does take a little while to get warm, so grab the shampoos that you're using. Today I will be using my herb shampoo, especially for long hair, and also my oats scrub bar. I'll explain about these a bit more later. Ready? Now that your hair is wet, grab your shampoo bar, make sure it is also wet, and then just make little circles on the top of your head. If you have short hair, you only have to do like one circle and it's enough. If you have longer hair, use a little bit more. So I circle around. You don't need very much, which is why it's very economical to use compared to normal shampoo. And then just use your hands and rub it in. As you can see, the first time, there is no foam, hardly at all. That's why you wash twice. The first time is to clean out all the dirt, and the second time you'll see there'll be a little bit more foam. So, rinse and repeat. Second round. A little bit at the ends. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, that's just what I do. In unnatural shampoos, a lot of time they use unnatural foaming products, which is why probably natural shampoo will first feel like it's not doing its job. It is, it just doesn't have the unnatural ingredients in it. So don't give up if you feel like you're not foaming all over the place. Now I can really feel the hair becoming less smooth, which is good. I usually put these on their edges to dry because I don't have a drying rack yet, but I'll get one so it becomes a little bit easier. I'm just going to dry my hair off now and my body as well. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, I'm back. Let me show you first what I got from Werfzeep. By the way, this is not sponsored. I bought all these products myself. Hashtag not sponsored. The shampoo that I started with is the herb shampoo, which was recommended for long hair, which I have. And It smells quite nice. It's a mix of ginger, calendula, and hop. I also bought the honey shampoo, but as you can see, that's still wrapped. I haven't started using that yet. I want to give the herb shampoo a little while for my hair to get used to it before I switch to something else. I also bought the Ylang Ylang soap, which is shower gel only in solid form. So again, no plastic. It smells quite nice, although I have to say, the smells are all, of course, very natural, and my boyfriend isn't a big fan of it just yet. He likes the more chemically created, nice smells. I do like it though. I grew up with a lot of natural products, so keep in mind that you might have to take a little time to get used to it. Then I got the oat scrub, which is also a bar with little bits of oat, I guess, in it. I also got one more soap that is used for cleaning the house and also doing laundry. I haven't started using that yet because we still have quite a lot of dish soap and washing powder. That's for another video, maybe a kitchen video. And then they gave me this really cute, adorable honey soap testy thing, which I guess is more like a hand soap. Something to note is that it can be a little bit hard to store all of these in your shower because it probably is made for holding shampoo bottles. Ours is anyway. So I temporarily am using this plastic container that I've had for a while, but they actually do sell different holders on their web shop as well. So that's something to look into because it's quite impractical having all these soaps sitting around wet from use and not being able to dry out properly. So how does it work on my hair? Actually, my experience wasn't very good in the beginning. After washing, quite quickly, it looked very dirty, almost more dirty than before I started washing it, which didn't make sense to me. So when I reached out, they actually had a very quick response that a lot of people experience this, especially having long hair. And they advised me to use apple cider vinegar as a conditioner afterwards. They wrote a blog about this, so if you want to read the whole thing, I'll link that in the description below. But basically, it says, grab a glass and your apple cider vinegar. The smell, they say it disappears right after you take the shower. The first time, maybe I used too much, but I smelled like apple cider vinegar for quite a few days. Take about 1 centimeter in the glass. Not too much like I did before. You don't want to smell like apple cider vinegar. Cheers. After you've washed your hair, now it's time for our conditioner. Grab the glass, fill it up with warm water from your shower, and just pour it in there and really massage it in. Immediately you can feel... Oh no, it's fogged up. Oops, sorry. Immediately when you put in the conditioner, you can feel the hair becoming more smooth. I'm going to let the conditioner stuff sit in my hair for a little bit and just clean my skin with the oat scrub bar I was talking about. Make sure it's wet and your skin is wet, and then just, this feels really nice. Just rub some on it. You do not have to touch all the different parts of your skin. The soap is now on there and you can just rub, which feels really nice and soapy. I'm gonna do the rest, but I'll be out of screen. Or maybe I'm not. I'm a yoga teacher after all. I normally don't wear my glasses in the shower, by the way. Now I'm going to rinse out the conditioner, and I'm gonna really thoroughly rinse it. That's really important with this kind of shampoo. Rinse way more than you would normally. So it does take a little bit more water. This did help to make my hair a little bit softer and shinier. They also say it's important to really brush your hair out a lot more because there can be leftover dirt or pieces from the shampoo that can stay in your hair, which can make it look a little bit dirty. I really make sure I dry it thoroughly with a towel. And then we brush. This is not my favorite part, by the way. If you have long hair, a great tip is to hold onto it as you brush, so you're not pulling all the hairs out. Holding, brushing. My hair at the moment, it's washed a few days ago. This is before I filmed the washing, yes. And it looks a little bit like stringy. Can you see? I don't know if that comes off. And my hair is a little bit dry. I do also need a haircut, but it is a little bit more dry than when I use the other, also natural but plastic wrapped shampoos. I'm going to give it a few more weeks because I've been testing this out for about a month now, and I want to give it, my hair and my skin and everything, some time to get used to the natural products. So although this company on paper is perfect, doing everything right and the way I would like companies to act, being sustainable, vegan and cruelty-free, organic and locally sourced, unfortunately for my hair, this isn't the perfect solution just yet. So my search for a plastic-free bathroom continues. I'm also working on a plastic-free kitchen, so stay tuned for those videos. And if you know any good companies that offer products that are plastic-free as well as all the other things that I appreciate, definitely leave a comment below. I would love to hear, especially if you're in Europe, because getting products from Australia or the US isn't probably good for the environment anyway, with all the shipping and plastic wraps and transport. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. I'll be back soon with another plastic-free video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, and yeah, I'm not saying bye guys anymore, or I'm trying to, because I want all people to feel welcome here. Women, non-binary, everyone is welcome. Bye. Sorry about the fogging up. I'm having so much fun filming this. Let's head to the shower together. Can you still see me? I can't see you because I'm not wearing my glasses. There you go.